I moved the baby birds because a couple of them were getting sick. And I didn't know if there was something going on with the big rooster in there, smothering them at night, sleeping on them. So I moved them. Juju is in a panic right now because he doesn't know where they are. I had them in here for a second, and now he knows that. He smells them in there. But he called for him, and nobody's answering him, and he's freaking out. There's only 2 birds in there, 2 baby birds left in there. The rest are already moved to their new location. Where's your babies, Juju? Where's your freaking birds at, Juju? I see 2 of them in there. Or is that the ducks? No, there's 2 of them with the ducks chilling. Juju, where's your babies? Belly found the babies. Oh, guineas with the hizzle for rizzle. They were attacking my owl earlier. Come on, Juju, let's go see the babies. Where they at? Where's the babies? Belly found them. Belly found the babies. Over here. Over here, Juju, over here. All the birds are hiding underneath the thing. You hear him? He's freaking out. Come here, boy. Look, they're over there. Look, Juju. Stop, Belly. Look, Junior. Come here. Belly. Juju. Now. Come. Come here. He smells him now. He hears him. I'm trying to get close. You see all your babies? Juju, you see your babies? I told you they were okay. They just need their own little space.